Yeah, welcome to Comey Business. So, as owner of a logistic company, if you go through your application, you go through the more button, you'll see the back end button. The back end button, when you click it, it brings you here. So we click on the more button on the back end button, and we have different options. We have vendor manager if you want to manage your vendors. Then, so what I'm showing you right now is how to set up your delivery services. So we'll click on package delivery and let's go on pricing. So from example, you can decide to click on new. Then we have food and drink. We have list of categories of services we render here. So you can choose the one for this, and maximum order per day, just an example like 10. You can take 10, only 10, or depending on how you want to do it. Then base delivery price. From example, I'm picking 700. From example, multiple store, maybe I can put discount if you want me to go to different places for you. Then if I'm charging price per package, from example, you understand, it will be okay. I'm taking up this to 0, from example. Then multiple store, multiple location, and per package is this. So that if you are sending me 10, 4, 4, 5 package, I know, let's say I'm charging per package 700, from example. You understand? And I'm not, my base delivery is 0. You understand? Because I'm just charging per package. If I'm charging per kg, you understand, it will be indicated here per kg. You understand? And if I'm charging per kilometer, I activate per kilometer and put price per kilometer, so that it calculates per kilometer. This is what I'm charging. Then, because the stuff work with, if the customer places an order, it calculates where the pickup point to the delivery point. You calculate per order. You understand? Then we have auto move to ready. You can, as the owner of the store, you can just say, okay, this order should automatically move to ready, or I should confirm it. Then you activate and say save, from example, and we wait. Okay, distance 0. Just need to indicate something. Sorry for that. You understand? So this particular price is ready. You understand? And you can add you can do a lot of pricing. Okay, apart from food and drink, I do small package delivery, I do package delivery, I do grocery delivery, I do moving service delivery, you understand, parcel delivery. You can start to do that and put your own price for every delivery, or if you want, you can have a universal price. That's for the price in city. Now, which city do you operate on? So, from example, I'm operating, let's say, from example, now I'm operating in Kano only. Or I don't need to put city, I'll just put Kano. I'll just go to state and put only Kano. I don't need to identify the city. But if I do only in a particular city in the state, from example, let's go back to city, from example. And when you click on city, it takes you to new. You click on new. Now it asks you which country, Nigeria, where you did. Awesome. And which state? Let's say, from example, I'm using Kano. So, and inside Kano, let's say Dambata. You understand? That is where I serve. So, except only orders in Dambata that will be visible, that can see my delivery. If not so, then I pick state. So every part of Kano you can access my delivery. So you come and click new again. If you notice, it narrowed down to country, Nigeria, and state. The other one only narrowed down to so if your business is in multiple states, you can add multiple states. Only the state you are doing services on. You understand? And automatically it's already added here and active. Then let's come to new. Let's say it's country, from example. The same process. Click on new. you see only the country appears. So automatically it only serves that country if you're doing nationwide delivery. You understand? But if you're doing state delivery, just pick your state. Then if there is order, you see the order list here. And if there is you can get your reports. You understand? Then payment method. You understand? Payment method. You can add your own payment method. I want my customers to pay me via their wallet, via this, via that. So if you don't pick anyone, don't worry, we'll get you covered. We'll use the master, but we reduce it to friendly payment method. We know that it's doable. We take away pay on delivery because to avoid people that play on people's intelligence. Some people will just want to just place order and take you to a distance where after you come. It just don't make sense. Amazon doesn't do pay on delivery. AliExpress doesn't do pay on delivery. So I wonder why we should. So, but if need arise, you can request for it and it will be available for you. Then we have you can create your own driver too. You understand? We'll let you know that. So I hope this is helpful. So you can come to continue adding price. You can come click on price and continue. Then if you feel under vendor, click on vendor place and let's see what is there. So under vendor you could see this. Then there's this thing like pencil. Click on it. It means edit. It means edit. You click on it, then you can check. Okay, my services, my description, categories, which you don't do category, you only do on the other side. Then you can do schedule. You can click on schedule so that people can schedule order. I want to book order for next tomorrow Wednesday. This is the location, this is that, and just automatically schedule. Then auto assign order means if it's ready to assign to your delivery boy, but you can leave it so that you can assign manually to avoid the system is taking your order to another delivery boy. Auto assign accept order. You understand? You can accept order automatically. These are then prepare time, delivery time. You can put what suits your business here. Then you can change the logo. You can change the background picture. Anyone that suits you, go on. So I hope this is helpful. And any other questions, please let us know. We'll be glad to be of as an assistant. Thank you very much.